JBL Go 4 is the latest portable Bluetooth speaker in the Go series. The waterproof and dustproof design makes it perfect for on-the-go use. With an upgraded 7-hour battery life, it's a big improvement over the previous model's 5 hours. JBL has brought numerous enhancements to this budget-friendly portable speaker. Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox JBL Go 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. First, let's open the box. Here is today's start, JBL Go 4. It comes in multiple colors and we have the black one here. What else is in the box? There is a charging cable, and it seems like there are some booklet. So it's a warranty card and a quick start guide. And that's it. Now let's go over some key specs. JBL Go 4 features Bluetooth V5.3 and offers up to 7 hours of playtime, including a 2-hour playtime boost. It takes 3 hours to fully charge. It's made partly from recycled materials and weighs around 0.69 pounds, making it very portable. The overall design is simple and sleek. Now let's take a look at the buttons. On top, you will find the volume up and down buttons, along with the play pause button. On the side, there are power and Bluetooth buttons. You might be curious about this triangle button. It's for Oralcast support, allowing the Go 4 to connect to multiple compatible speakers at once. JBL Go 4 is the first model in the Go series to feature Oralcast, and it's also compatible with the JBL portable app, allowing you to set up Oralcast and enable playtime boost. Now let's talk about the price. JBL Go 4 is priced at $50, but sometimes you might occasionally find it for around $45. Overall, this is a budget-friendly portable speaker that does its job well. It's perfect for people who spend significant time on the road. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's content, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. Take care and I will see you soon.